In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post a photo on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube application. Then make sure you are logged into your account. And then, in order to post a photo, we need to tap right here at that plus and then select Create a Post. That opens up our camera roll, and from here we can choose a photo we would like to post. Let it be that one. We can attach multiple photos up to 5 in that simple way, and then tap at Next to continue. Then we can add filters to any of our image, just like that. We can add different filters for each image. Also, we can add there some stickers and text over our images. Once we are done with that, we can hit at Next to continue. And then it will start uploading our images to YouTube. And once all images are uploaded, we can tap at Post to share this post in our community on our YouTube channel. That's how you can easily post a photo on YouTube.